Alright, so this is going to be a video on how to find center of a circle. I am making a clock and I need to find where the mechanism comes through. So you're going to take your steel square or whatever square you have, and you are going to touch the corner right there where your 90 is on one part of your circle. You're going to run along the two lines and then connect the dots. You're going to do that one more time. Make sure the point of that 90 is touching the inside of your circle. You're going to run along the top, make your point, and then run along the other side, make your point, and then connect the dots. It was really hard to see on this rusty wine barrel ring. I think it's called a scave. I'm really not sure. But anyways, connect the dots. I'm sure there will be like 50 people in the comments that correct me. So where those two lines intersect, that is going to be center of your circle. Ta-da! All right, subscribe, hit like. See you next time.